So we log in with the subcontractors user and check the working box. Okay, as you can see, the subcontractor has two remaining works in his work inbox, and one of them is for the previous one and the other one is from another work. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to upload the form for both of them. So I will up the file has been uploaded. By double clicking it, I can see the file. Now I will do the same thing for the other one. The file has been uploaded. As I've mentioned before, the system has the feature to accept multiple works or reject multiple ones. Now I'm going to select both of the works and hit the accept button. And as you can see, both of the works have been accepted. Okay, the next step is FIR-QC's party, and as you can see, at this point we may have more than one outcomes. The system will automatically detect the correct one based on the entered data, sub-activities, and the rest of the criteria. For example, it could go through line 11 or 12 or 15. So the system will decide. Now let's check the report. The next recipient. Now, as you can see, we have two recipients from FIR-QC's party, and we will log in with one of the users to check the work. Now we have logged in with the next person's user. As you can see, I have the notification for the FIR. I can see the notification number, the FIR number. Now the system has informed me to check my working box to see the new work. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'll open my working box. And this was just one type of notification that you have in the system. Also, you can have the notification on your mobile phone, or you could be informed by email. Now, the user will check the details of the work. Now I'm going to check the file that the subcontractor has uploaded. Here I can check the accepted items. And by pressing OK, the changes will automatically be saved into the file. Now let's check the file again. Yes, as you can see, the changes have been saved. Now I'll accept the work. Now I'm going to check the report. Now the next step is FIR TPA, which is Michael Mosley. Now let's check the diagram. As you can see, the work was in this step, FIR-QC's party. Now the system has automatically decided that this kind of work should go to FIR-TPA, which means the system checks all the conditions and the data we entered, And it's worth mentioning that the system didn't ask us for the next step, and it automatically detects that the work should go to FIR TPA. So I log in with Michael Mosley, and as you can see, I have the notification again, which means a new work is in my work inbox. So we check the details again. And check the files too. Okay, based on the permission, I will make the necessary changes, which in this case is just one field, which I'm going to check as TPA. I will press OK and save the changes. Now let's accept the work. Okay, in this case, when TPA accepts the work will be sent to the client. As mentioned before, the client has the right to reject the work for 14 days. If the client wanted to reject the work, then the work will move from this one to client reject. If after 14 days the client doesn't reject the work, it will go through line 17 and the work will be finished. And might I add that this flow which we are seeing for this project is customized for this based on the project's work, which means for other projects you could have different flows, and the steps that you are seeing is completely customizable. At this point, subcontractor will be notified that the work has been accepted and has to return to generate FIR number. So what we are going to do is that we will log in with the subcontractor's user to generate FIR report number. Now we have logged in with the subcontractor's user. As you can see, a notification has been sent to the subcontractors, and you can see that the work has been completed, and this notification could also be received on email or cell phone. Now let's go to generate an FIR number. Since the work has been accepted, the generate FIR number has been activated. Otherwise, the subcontractor had to create a new revision of the work. So the system doesn't allow users to generate FIR number for rejected or incomplete works. Now let's generate FIR number. The status has been automatically selected as accepted since the work is completed, and the system will generate a new number based on project's policy. We will select the date and we'll write in our comments. Now, as you can see, the entered data is being displayed. You can see the status is accepted, you have the comment and the FIR number. So we could say that all the required work for field inspection of this equipment has been completed. Now let's move on to some BI reports.